Good evening, teacher. I am going to talk you about my final project. Ecuadorians fly to United States again driven by poverty. Irregular migration to the North American country skyrockets, via balances of 70 missing and 9,000. On the border with Mexico, irregular migration has intensified as Ecuador economies slough. Jobs are destroyed and poverty rise soar. The president of under country, Guillermo Lasso, has described it as a migration for survival. In 2018, the first year's visa-free to fly to Mexico from Ecuador. 4,000 visitors stayed there. In 2019, there were already 8,000 who went on vacation but did not return home. And although the pandemic reduced the flow to 9,000, the inertia returned to the rise these years. Mexico is the most direct way to get to the United States. A flight to the capital or Cancun puts Ecuadorian migrants on the route to border states with the intention of crossing of foot to the United States. In Ecuador, only there out of 10 people have a formal jobs. The Coyotes charter 15,000 persons for irregular travel from Mexico. On the one hand, he points out that the structural economic problems of the country are not Beijing Anderson, which are what caused the deport of disappeared Ecuadorian. But he goes further, increasing him. Ecuadorians go around $6 million in remains, so they don't take the problems serious. The complex economic situation that the country is going through, aggravated by the pandemic, is no stranger to people in human mobility. 19% of the family survivors say they were engaged in informal activity or were unemployed. Only 4% had a formal jobs and 3% out of business. In addition, 3 or 4 families indicate that their main urgence was the cover in the basic needs of food, housing and clothing. To get by, people are forced to reduce the amount of food consumed, borrow money to buy basic goods, limit the consumption of not essentials goods, or reduce food consumed among adults to private children. Thank you, teacher.